The best part of coming home is a couple packages to unbox. That's right. Traveled 3 hours to get home, and what a pleasant surprise. It's time to unbox. Alright guys, so I already opened up the packages because I just couldn't wait. I get antsy like that. But the first one I got was from Amazon, and a couple items. First one is 7 Warriors. So apparently this is kind of like a copy in 7 Samurais with a Hong Kong twist. So yeah, these are the kind of movies that I like. So I went ahead and picked that up, I think for about 10 bucks. And since I got the first one, I had to get the second one, and that is Witchboard 2. So, probably not good as the first one, but I need to complete my Witchboard collection. So, that is from Amazon. And then I got a decent sized box from Best Buy. And the first one is Dead Before Dawn. So, kind of looks like another Zombieland type movie. So, looking forward to checking that one out. Next up is a classic, Jason and the Argonauts. So, almost prefer this more than the Clash of the Titans. But, yeah, it's been a while, so looking forward to checking that one out. Then we have the Tai Chi Hero. We got this for like 7 bucks. Another martial arts film with guns. Gotta check that out. Then we have some 80s cheese, and that is the perfect weapon. So 4K and Leroy Green. Let me know about this movie. You're into these kind of flicks back in the 80s. Let me know if this is any good. Then we have Smurfs 2. Have the first one. Wasn't too bad, so got the second one. And lucky me, it does have the slip. So with Amazon, you just gotta be careful when you order online. They don't, just because the picture shows a slip cover, doesn't mean they'll send you a slip cover. And vice versa. Sometimes you get lucky. And there's one more. The last one in the box is Garfield 1 and 2. So, yeah, who doesn't like Garfield, man? He loves spaghetti. Or is it lasagna? Yeah, it's lasagna. And then some Odie. So, that's a 2-pack for like 7 bucks. Alright, are we done? We're done with the 2 packages I found at the doorstep, but I went to Target today. And what did I pick up? You don't see me pick up DVDs too often, but they don't make the Blu-ray of this yet. I got seasons 5, 6, and 7 on Blu-ray, but I believe the first 4 only have it on DVD, and It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. This show is hilarious. I got this for like 10 bucks. Seasons 1 and 2. Wonder how many episodes are on this for only 10 bucks. Doesn't say. If it's about 20, it's worth it. Oh man, yeah, hate me, but it's 3D, man. And I only got it for $17.99, so it comes with, you know, the 2D and the 3D and the digital UV code. So, what can I say? Anything under $20 for a new release is like a good deal to me. I hate to say it. So that's Hercules 3D. Hey, if anyone's wants to do like a trade for the UV code, let me know. And what else came out was The Devil's Due. So for some reason that looks like Madonna. But that is The Devil's Due. Again, willing to trade the UV code. Yeah. From what I hear, it's just you know, same old possession film. But oh well. Under $20. So there you go. This is my haul for the week. And unboxings. Well, there's more on the way, so the week's not over. Thanks for watching. This is Blu-ray Hoarder, signing off.